although most of my rusty metal pots and the aluminium pots that I use when I'm eco-printing have come from Ireland, this beauty here is actually my favorite of all my pots. This came from France when I was in France getting some vintage French linen and on holidays with friends. I went over in my pickup truck, and this is actually a wood-fired boiler with a large cast iron pot sitting into the outside frame. And this particular piece was used for boiling potatoes on a farm in France, and I was so happy to find it in a sort of a brocante or a sort of a salvage yard, really. So this gives incredible results. It only takes about 17 minutes to come to a boil as soon as I start to light the wood underneath it, and it's my all-time favorite pot.